Hello and welcome to Trade of the Week for the week starting Monday the 1st of October. Each week one of our analysts picks a key trade idea with a stop for the week ahead. Last week IG's market analyst Josh Mahony went short on Aussie dollar against the greenback, and he's here with me now to discuss. Josh, how did your FX pair trade go?
Yeah, it's worked out well. The interesting one is that I was saying that there's two ways that people could potentially play this. In actual fact, both of them would have to some extent worked out so far. So obviously I like to hold a trade open for the week, so I said we'd just go short at that moment, but also alluded to the fact that we could see a rally into the 76.4, which would make a good area to be able to get short. Of course, the way that it played out is that we got that rally coming off the FOMC meeting. It literally perfectly went into your 76.4, but bearing in mind my stop loss was above that 76.4, but not super close, so it managed to almost do both of them really well. So we saw that rally into the 76.4 at 73.12. We've then been selling off ever since, and so the expectation is that this wider trend is going to come into play and that we're going to see further downside. So yeah, working well so far, but should still have further downside to come.
So this week you're switching to the commodities markets. Obviously we've seen the oil price do very well recently, and you're kind of following the trend and expecting that to continue, is that right?
Yeah, exactly. So I think we've seen this massive breakout. There's not necessarily any sign of exactly where that resistance point is going to come in. You know, there's certainly some risk in taking this trade because of the fact that we haven't really seen any sort of substantial pullback. So I'm hoping we're going to be able to push onwards and upwards from here. This is the daily time frame. I mean, look, the weekly time frame shows you we don't necessarily have a major resistance level to be looking out for quite yet. And the last time that we saw a sort of pullback and then a break through the previous resistance, we did see an extended move towards the upside. It lasted a good week or so from there. Now we have seen, sorry, not a week, this is a weekly chart, a good month or so from there. So we have seen this breakout last week, and with the fact that we don't necessarily have any major resistance points, you can see there's no major swing highs on the way down here. It means that we have got a possibility of extending up onwards and upwards from here on in. So the question mark is, are we going to see this retracement into here before we rally, or are we just going to rally from here? And if we look at the hourly time frame, what we can see is that we're seeing this consolidation at the moment. So I'm aware of the fact that we could see some sort of pullback, but as of the current point in time, if we get the Fibonacci onto it and draw the levels that are actually going to be relevant to current price action, you've got the 38.2, so it's higher than that, and a 23.6, so it's around about your 23.6. So what I'm looking for is an hourly close above 83.38. If we get that, then essentially we're looking at a potential for a very shallow pullback, or essentially just sideways consolidation, before we then break upwards in the direction of the underlying trend.
So on the Brent chart, how wide do you want to put your stop this week?
So the benefit of being able to take a trade after a very shallow pullback is the fact that you'll utilize that shallow pullback for your stop loss, much in the same way as if you've got a very deep retracement, then you'll be able to utilize the fact that you have a very close distance to the most recent swing low. So for this one, if we've got that hourly close above the 83.38, we'd be looking to put our stop below 82.60. So for me, we'll give it a little bit of room. Would say 82.45 for the stop loss.
All right, Josh, thank you very much. That was Josh Mahony, IG analyst, talking us through his trade for the week starting Monday, the 1st of October, long Brent crude. And remember to Google IG's Trade of the Week to sign up to our weekly email. That way you'll get this trade idea direct to your inbox every Monday. Thanks so much for watching IGTV. I'm Victoria Scholar, and remember to find me on Twitter for more updates. I'm at VictoriaS_IG. See you soon.